BYD, one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers, is facing serious allegations of slave labor at one of its factories. This scandal not only threatens the BYD's reputation, but also raises significant ethical and legal questions about labor practices in the global supply chain. Let's explore the details of this controversy and its broader implications. The allegations against BYD surfaced when Brazilian authorities halted the construction of a new factory in Bahia, citing slavery-like conditions for the workers. Over 160 workers, primarily Chinese nationals, were reportedly subjected to degrading living conditions, had their passports confiscated, and faced wage withholding. These workers were employed by Jinjiang Construction Brazil, a subcontractor hired by BYD to build the factory. However, there are some claims on the internet that say workers give their passports to the company to help process their papers and find residence for their stay.
这是对我们积极的关注，甚至是关心。由于语言的原因和翻译的问题，和中间的误导，问询中有很多的信息不一定传达正确。金匠公司没有扣押我们的护照，护照之所以在工上，是因为我们需要办理民事的身份证。
The conditions described by the Brazilian Public Labor Prosecutor's Office are harrowing. Workers were housed in overcrowded accommodations with inadequate facilities. In some cases, 31 workers shared a single bathroom, forcing them to wake up extremely early to prepare for work. The lack of basic amenities, such as mattresses and sufficient bathrooms, painted a grim picture of exploitation and neglect. The situation at BYD's factory raises critical questions about the ethical responsibilities of multinational corporations. While BYD has stated that it conducted reviews and requested improvements from the subcontractor, the persistence of such conditions suggests systemic issues. This scandal highlights the need for stricter oversight and accountability in global supply chains to ensure that workers' rights are protected. In response to the allegations, BYD has terminated its relationship with Jinjiang Construction and relocated the affected workers to hotels. The company has expressed regret over the situation and emphasized its commitment to complying with Brazilian labor laws. However, the damage to its reputation may be significant, especially as the company seeks to expand its presence in international markets. This controversy comes at a time when the electric vehicle industry is under intense scrutiny. As governments and consumers push for greener alternatives, the ethical implications of how these vehicles are produced cannot be ignored. The BYD scandal serves as a stark reminder that the transition to sustainable energy must also prioritize fair and humane labor practices. To understand the weight of these allegations, it's essential to look at the historical context of labor abuses in the manufacturing sector. From the early days of the Industrial Revolution to modern-day sweatshops, the exploitation of workers has been a persistent issue. The globalization of supply chains has made it easier for companies to outsource labor to regions with less stringent labor laws, often resulting in poor working conditions. Subcontracting is a common practice in the manufacturing industry, allowing companies to reduce costs and increase efficiency. However, this practice can also lead to a lack of oversight and accountability. In the case of BYD, the use of a subcontractor like Jinjiang Construction highlights the challenges of ensuring ethical labor practices across complex supply chains. As consumers, we play a crucial role in demanding ethical practices from the companies we support. The BYD scandal is a call to action for consumers to be more vigilant about the origins of the products they purchase. By supporting companies that prioritize fair labor practices, we can help drive positive change in the industry. Governments and regulatory bodies also have a significant role to play in preventing labor abuses. The actions taken by Brazilian authorities to halt the construction of BYD's factory demonstrate the importance of robust labor laws and enforcement mechanisms. International cooperation and stricter regulations are necessary to protect workers' rights globally. The allegations of slave labor at BYD's factory are a stark reminder of the ongoing challenges in ensuring ethical labor practices in the global supply chain. While BYD's response to the scandal is a step in the right direction, it is clear that more needs to be done to prevent such abuses in the future. As we move towards a more sustainable future, it is imperative that we also prioritize the dignity and rights of the workers who make this transition possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of the latest issues in the automotive industry.